You know, on a chilly day, there is nothing, and I mean nothing, like a bubbling, vibrant bowl of spicy, savory comfort food. So today we're gonna make one of my absolute favorites, a Korean seafood kimchi stew. Oh, it's so warm, so satisfying, and just packed with the most incredible depth of flavor. Just picture this for a second. A bubbling pot right in front of you. You get that tangy kimchi, the most tender seafood, and that silky, almost cloud-like soft tofu. It really is just pure comfort in a bowl. Welcome to the Asian Food Diary. I am so happy you're here with me to cook this beautiful stew. Okay, let's get right into it. So every great dish starts with great ingredients, right? And for this stew, we have assembled what I like to call the cast of characters that are going to come together to create that authentic, deeply satisfying Korean flavor we're all craving. First up, the absolute star, aged kimchi. You really want to use well-fermented, older kimchi here. It develops this deep, complex sourness that is just perfect for a stew. And that kimchi juice, don't you dare throw that away. It's liquid gold. Then we have our power trio of Korean pastes and powders, the freshest seafood you can get your hands on, and of course that incredibly silky soft tofu that's going to act like a sponge for all these amazing flavors. Okay, let's talk about gochujang and dojang, because these two are the dynamic duo of Korean cooking. If you're new to them, think of gochujang as bringing that sweet and spicy fire. But then dojang comes in with this deep, earthy, savory note that's pure umami. I'm telling you, together, they create a flavor base that is just unbelievably complex and delicious. All right, our ingredients are ready, so it is time for the magic to happen. This first stage is all about building layers of flavor right from the very start. This is where the real alchemy begins. First, we're going to gently wake up our aromatics. Your kitchen is about to fill with the most incredible, nutty, spicy scent. Then, get ready for my favorite sound in the kitchen, that sharp sizzle when the kimchi hits the pot. It just releases all of its tangy fragrance. Finally, we'll pour in our broth that we've already packed with those rich, savory pastes. But wait, hold on. Before you even turn on the stove, I have a little secret for you, a technique that makes all the difference. We're actually going to start with a completely cold pot. Any guesses why? So here's the deal. By adding your sesame oil and gochugaru, that's the Korean chili powder, to the pot before you turn on the flame, you let them toast really gently as the pot slowly heats up. This is so important because it keeps the delicate chili powder from hitting a super hot pan and burning, which would make it taste bitter. Instead, you unlock this beautiful, vibrant red color and a wonderful smoky flavor. Trust me, it's a total game changer. Okay, our flavor base is bubbling away and it smells absolutely incredible in here. Now it's time to add our main stars. We're about to bring this stew to life with gorgeous textures and even more layers of taste. In go the treasures of the sea. Whether you're using shrimp or squid or clams, just know that they cook really fast. You only need to let them simmer for about 3 minutes tops. That's how they stay perfectly tender. Any longer and they risk getting tough, and nobody wants that. And for our very last addition to the pot, the silky soft tofu. You want to add this right at the very end. Gently spoon big chunks of it into the stew, then turn off the heat. The residual heat will warm it through perfectly. It's so delicate, and doing it this way means it soaks up all that spicy, savory broth without falling apart. We are so close. I mean, the stew is technically done, but this final touches, this is what takes it from just delicious to absolutely unforgettable. It's all about adding that last little pop of richness and freshness. So, once you've ladled that steaming hot stew into your serving bowl, you're going to crack a fresh egg directly into it. Now don't stir it like crazy, just gently swirl it with your spoon. You'll create these beautiful silky ribbons of egg that cook right in the hot broth. It adds this rich, velvety texture. Then a final sprinkle of fresh, sharp green onions. It just cuts through all that richness and adds a beautiful pop of color. And now for the most important rule of all. This stew is meant to be eaten immediately. You want to dig in while it's piping hot with the steam still rising from the bowl. That's when you get the absolute best flavor and the best texture experience. Thank you so much for cooking along with me today. If you loved making this Korean seafood kimchi stew, please give this video a like and subscribe to the Asian Food Diary for more delicious recipes. And before you go, I'd love to know, what is your go-to comfort stew to make when the weather gets a little cold? Let me know down in the comments below. I honestly can't wait to read all your answers. Happy cooking!